morning everyone from Cambodia. Today we are exploring the Angkor Wat. Yeah, it's pretty cool so far. So we got up at 4 o'clock this morning because we wanted to go and see the sunrise at Angkor Wat. And we did, and it was a very, very nice sunrise. We went in, saw a bit more of the sunrise. We're all very tired because we've been up since 4 o'clock, and we're kind of just exploring all the temples around here. What one are we at? So we're finally out of Vietnam after 28 days that we spent there. We crossed the border via a bus, which didn't take, how long did it take? 4 hours? 4 or 5 hours. And our first stop in Cambodia was Arcadia? No, was it Arcadia? Billabong. Oh, it was a hostel called Billabong, not much went on there. And the second stop was Arcadia. Arcadia was like a water park with a river. It was actually really cool. I'll show you some clips from the GoPro and the phones around about now. So now we got a bus to Siem Reap, which is the capital of Cambodia. That took 13 hours. That was probably one of the best sleeper buses we've been on. We had a double bed, like actual beds rather than seats to just rock back. Today, yeah, we're exploring temples of Angkor Wat. And the next one we're going to see, I think I said that the next one we're going to see is, if we can find the tuk-tuks, is like from the set of Tomb Raider. Here today wasn't as cheap as we all thought it was going to be. It was for a ticket, for a day ticket, it was $37, but it's like a 6-hour like round trip, and you've got to have a tuk-tuk to get around it. Without the tuk-tuk, it just wouldn't be possible, and I think we've lost ours at some point. So that was our last temple that we're seeing for the day. Not to be a bit of a Debbie Downer, but I think if you're going to do this type of thing, we agreed that 100% you probably should have a tour guide. I don't know, we're in part of the Mekong Delta, it's sick, it's hot, we're having a 10-minute rest. I'm going to jump in the pool wherever it seems safe. Wait.